So we're here at Jim McDonald at Cloud Expo Europe, and Jim's going to talk to us about the new product launch from Zyatec.
Thank you. So the new product from Zyatec, we're launching something called the Hybrid Ice. So the Hybrid Ice really is a fusion of hard drives and solid-state disks. But rather than the traditional way in which these products are combined, which really is treating them as two completely separate tiers of storage, what we're doing is we're combining the two into a single hybrid product, hence the name. So what we're really trying to do here is ensure that people get a balance of performance and capacity. Traditionally, there's always been a trade-off in data storage between the two. What we can do by having the Hybrid Ice is actually provide a combination of a large amount of useful performance with a large amount of usable capacity. The way we do that really is around something we call continuous adaptive data placement. What this is a system which monitors data access across the entire storage continually. Every time it sees accesses to certain pieces of data, what it will do is it will look at the data, it will understand how often it's accessed, what the access pattern looks like, and it will run a sophisticated return on investment model. What that model will do is decide if it makes sense to move the data from, for example, a hard drive onto solid-state storage. When that model decides that it is indeed worthwhile moving that data, the data is moved up to the higher tier of storage, and then you get higher, faster access speeds. The real point and the differentiator, if you will, of what we're doing here is that this is a continuous piece. We start monitoring the information immediately. More importantly, we start moving the data immediately. So within minutes, the data is moving between hard drives and solid-state storage. The really important point of that is that in today's workloads, with virtualized environments, with shared storage, there's no single workload. Looking at the information over, for example, a day doesn't really give you useful information. It shows that there was some access to one system, later on there was access to another system. It kind of averages out and doesn't really give you something useful. What we do is we move the data in real time all the time. So we end up with a situation where in the morning, for example, everyone logs on, all of that information that people are accessing, it's directly up in the solid-state storage. During the working day, for example, you might get business intelligence or LTP type applications running. Again, that information is moved from the hard drive onto the solid-state storage. Move into the evening for end-of-day processing, batch processing, and similar. And all of the time we have the right data in the right place at the right time to provide optimal performance. It's really a different product than any of the traditional arrays out there. It does things very, very differently, and we're very excited to actually have that product now available to market.